What have you done?
What happened?
Hello everyone, welcome to the exciting tutorial of Practical Immunology Learning Lab.
Today we are gonna learn how to do blood typing test.
Let's dive in. Your blood type is determined by what kind of antigens your blood cells have on their surface.
These surface markers help our body differentiate between its own cells and foreign. If your body thinks a cell is foreign or enemy, it will set out to destroy it.
Okay, if you have an A antigen, you are A. That's your blood type. If you have B antigen, you are B.
And if you have both A and B antigens, you are AB. And if you have neither A nor B, so you are O.
Last thing, if you have the RH or D protein on the RBC surface, all that said is that you have the RH factor, you are positive for RH factor.
Great.
A can donate to A and AB. B can give to B and AB. O can give to everyone. And AB can only give to AB.
Here is the important thing with the RH factor. The negative can give to both negative and positive, but the positive can only give to positive, not negative. Now let's have a brief review. Take a look at the first blood cell.
This one has an A antigen with RH factor, so its blood type A positive.
Suppose that it's a kingdom or town with a flag on its surface that's waving and saying, I'm A. So it's going to be against B. This army is trying to attack B. As a result, it has a B, anti-B antibodies in its plasma.
Okay, so it can donate to A positive and AB positive, and can receive from A positive and negative, O positive and negative.
Okay, and this one is B positive.
Wait, why?
Because it has a B antigen with the RH factor.
Alright. It's not gonna train an army to attack itself, so it has anti-A antibody in its circulation. TA.
Great. B can donate to B and AB. Positive can donate to only positive. It can receive from B positive and negative, and O positive and negative. It can't receive from AB. You may be thinking that, but there is a B flag here. Yes, but it's also carrying A, so these anti-A antibodies will attack them.
Okay, this one is AB negative. Why? Because it has A and B flags on its surface without RH factor.
How about the antibodies?
It has no enemy. It doesn't produce neither A nor B. So it has D antibody in its plasma.
All right. AB can only give to AB. Negative can give to both positive and negative. It can receive blood from all blood typings, include A, B, AB, and O. it's negative, so negative, 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 negative.
We know that AB is universal receiver. Okay, last one is we don't have any A and B flags or antigen. It is O
Positive.
positive. So
And antibodies?
It has anti-A antibody and anti-B antibody in its circulation.
Okay. O can give to everyone. A, B, AB, and O. Positive can only give to positive. It can receive blood from only O. O positive and O negative. Just that. Let's go to the laboratory to learn this test step by step.
Let's go.
We are going to visit Dr. Faisal Lazadeh to perform this test practically.
Come over here.
Come in.
Hi there.
Hi.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
How is it going, doctor?
No shake hand in lab.
All right. Could you please show us how to do a blood typing test?
Sure. What are you waiting for? Put on your gloves and let's go. Let's look at the kit components.
This is anti-A antibody. It will agglutinate blood that has A antigen.
And this is anti-B reagent. Will agglutinate any RBC with B antigen.
This is anti-D antibody. It will agglutinate blood that has D antigen.
We need mixing sticks,
Blood samples,
glass slides,
3 antibody reagents.
And micropipette. Watch carefully and learn. Use 3 drops of blood for each patient. Put 1 drop of anti-A on the first circle, and then put on 1 drop of anti-B for second circle, and then put 1 drop of anti-D for third circle, and then mix with sticks, disposable sticks, and use for any circle with separate sticks. And then shake them for at least 30 seconds. Then check the results. It is clear that agglutination occurred by anti-A and anti-D antibodies, so it is A positive. Here you can see other blood types. And first one is A positive because you can see agglutination in first and third circle. This one is B positive. You can see agglutination in second and third circle. Next one is AB positive because they all exhibit agglutination, which is why it is AB positive. And the last one is O positive. There is no agglutination with anti-A and B antibodies, but only anti-D agglutinated the blood. And can you tell me which blood type is this one?
Well, I can't see any agglutination.
Is it O negative?
Yes, that's right. And now is your turn.
Thank you.
Do it carefully.
Me?
Yes, you.
By all means.
Oh my God, what have you done?
What happened?
What happened? You have to use new and fresh stick for each circle.
But doctor, everyone can make a mistake. Why did you lose your temper?
Making one mistake in blood typing can lead to this. So be organized and repeat it again.
Now let's check the results specifically.
We have to look for an agglutination.
Wait, what is an agglutination?
Good question. If an antibody interacts with an antigen, it will lead to an agglutination,
Yeah.
which is clumping like this.
All right. We can see agglutination in first and third circle. So it is A positive.
Great. Here we can see an agglutination in second and third circle. So this one is B positive.
Here we can see agglutination in all circles. It is AB positive. Wait, it's important to note that AB positive is universal receiver.
Great. And last one, I can't see any agglutination or clumping. So it should be O negative.
O negative.
O negative is universal donator. Now we have reached end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Feel free for any comments.
Ta-ta.
Ta-ta.